We are talking about a spent mandrel. That would be the shaft of your pop riveter, or the mandrel as it is called. When that gets stuck inside the jaws of the drill pop riveter and it does not want to eject, quickly want to show you two easy ways to remove a spent or broken off mandrel. So what would happen typically after you've riveted and you've got your drill in reverse mode and you try to eject the mandrel, it would not come out of the nose piece. Easy remedy, just remove your drill riveter from the drill, take your wrench, take the nose piece off, and there you will see the mandrel that did not want to eject. Just remove the nose piece cover. That will leave your jaws exposed, and then just by simply using a small 6mm wrench, press down on the jaws, and it will be better if you maybe just clamp this into a vise. For demonstration purposes, I'll try and do this without using a vise. So just press down on your jaws to release the tension, and you will get the mandrel out, the broken off mandrel. Just make sure that the jaws are properly aligned again. Put your nose piece cover back, like so. Again, just give your shank or shaft a little bit of a turn forward to release the tension on the nose piece. Insert the nose piece and tighten it with your wrench, and you are good to go with the spent mandrel removed from the jaws. Drill in reverse, drill chamber all the way forward, insert a new pop rivet, drill in forward motion, start pop riveting, drill in reverse, and there your pop rivet ejects again. And that is how you remove a spent or broken mandrel from the Tork TC Riv 001 Drill Pop Riveter.